Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be hunting for some birds. Is that right? Person next to me? Let's go and find some birds. You're coming with me, by the way. No, I said you're coming with me. Ow. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You gotta do that for the bird hunting, not the killing me. Wake up in your morning feeling like Peter. I feel like Oasis is gonna be the best spot. What do you see under the water? What's there a sound running in the water? What's there a sound running in the water? Isn't that like the zombie thing? I see something. What is it? Let's go back to Oasis. Now, how's it not done? You gotta come. Oasis is like, how many birds are on this server? What bird? Ah. Can that bird swim? I see a snake. Oh, that's a salmon. I see something. Can you grab that? Don't go yet. Wait for it to get like to the bridge. Okay. Can't attack now. No. He's not very intimidating. No, he's dead. I need some food anyway. Go. Okay, let's go to Oasis. Not bad. This thing has a really big hitbox. Go. Come on. Wake up in no more feeling like crispy bacon. Yeah. We shall not take anyone. We shall kill the people. Everyone. Wake up in. Ah. Hello there. There's a Ratu, I need help. There's an upper legion and a Ratu. Where I am. This thing is immune! How long is this thing gonna be immune for? Attack! Shackle. Trying to heal us. We don't need one. Come here. Die. He's dead. Get that Retro. Me a big mark. Ah. How about help me? Yeah, I grabbed it. Oh, okay. Wake up the number. Yes, sir. It's giving me a lot of sea artifacts. Wake up in the morning. They want greedy flyers. Well, one was. By the way, can we go for the shot? Wake up in the morning, lucky. Let's go to Oasis now. Okay, that was a lot of good meat. How many kills do I have? 13. 13. 13. I'm gonna get jump scared by like an eagle warden. It's not at Oasis. Not sad. It's not at Oasis. We need to find more people. That toilet. Wake up in the morning, feel like me. Out the light and shining armor. Bye bye. Okay. Well, let's do this by ourselves. Also, don't ask why he always has to go to like someone. Okay. We shall look for by ourselves. Ooh. I think I might be a little bit too fat. I've never seen a silver abandoned egg. How's the light? I'm too big. Say my friend. Boom bam bing boom bam. My friend. Bing boom bang bam bong. Bing bong bang bang. Bing bong. Dude, give up. Like if you wanna try to kill me, then get something stronger. You wanted it. How's the light? Big Mac, where are you? No, I ain't trusting that. No, he's gone. If you leave, you are a Oh, go. You like soccer. Pause. I want a lot in armor. I have an idea. I'm gonna try and get into this pack. Okay. Here, boy. Where are they? Oh, yeah, this one. I was the Latin training group journals. I'm going for this boy. I'm going for the king. Wait. Magna. No, there's no Magna. No, there's no Magna, bro. I'm on land. Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Ooh. I was the Latin training. Go. Yeah. Pico, da pico. Yes, sir. Oh. Yes, queen. Die. Now what? Why? Hold on. No. Why you do this to me? Vertical, stop. Vertical. Come here, boy. Come here. Big Mac. No. Die. No. Yes, sir. One kiddo down. Those people to go. Yeah. Okay. That's down. One person is dead. Yeah. What is that? Can I fit for you? Yes. No. No. These. Yeah. Fit me. Can get a lot. Mamu. Oh, I've run out of time. This is gonna be the end of the video. See you guys.